Are you looking for the best sim racing cockpits? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sim racing cockpits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Next Level Racing GTTrack. The GTTrack simulator cockpit from Next Level Racing checks all the boxes when it comes to the best sim racing cockpit. Not only does it look amazing, it provides all the features and functionality that both casual and professional gamers need. Starting with what's included in the package, gamers will get a solid carbon steel frame with a racing seat that sits on an adjustable slider, lockable wheel casters, a gear shifter holder, and a handbrake plate. The immersion and race car feel offered by the bucket seat is amplified by the 4-point harness seatbelt system, which not only locks gamers in place but gives them the feeling of strapping in a real race car. The steering wheel mount, pedal angles, seat, and distances are all adjustable and feel solid in all orientations. They are compatible with all major brands of steering wheels, including Thrustmaster, Logitech, Fanatec, and others. The Next Level Racing GTTrack simulator cockpit comes with rubber feet as well as wheel casters, making it easy to move around, though it cannot be folded to use less space when not in use. The wheels are essential for moving the cockpit, as it weighs 60 kilograms without any steering wheel, pedals, or accessories. The weight is a consequence of the solid construction, so that's a good thing overall, even if it is a bit inconvenient to move around. Number 2. Playseat Challenge. The Playseat Challenge stands as the best budget racing sim cockpit, not only because of its price but the value it offers in terms of build quality and features. The frame is made from lightweight carbon quality steel, and the best part is that it can be folded into a much more compact form factor, making it easy to store when not in use. It is compatible with all racing wheels and consoles, but the slimmer and portable form factor comes at the cost of compatibility with direct drive wheels. The seat is fully adjustable to accommodate both kids and adults. There are no seatbelts or harness systems, but the seat's shape gives the feeling of a race car bucket seat. It can be positioned upright for a more GT-like stance or reclined for a more F1-style position. Another impressive feature of the Playseat is the ease of setting it up. It comes with an instruction manual and the tools required for assembly. It should be noted that the pedals sit flat on the floor with the Playseat Challenge, and those looking for a more elevated pedal position should consider the Playseat Challenge X from Logitech. It comes with a different seat and angled mounting plates for the pedals. Number 3. Next Level Racing FGT Elite. The FGT Elite 160 side and front plate edition from Next Level Racing is a premium offering that brings solid build quality, high adjustability, and compatibility with the company's other accessories like motion rigs, bucket seats, and more. It allows for multiple seating positions including Formula, GT, hybrid, truck, and tank driving. Racing simulator fans for whom budget is not a concern and are willing to spend extra on a seat should consider the Next Level Racing FGT Elite 160 side and front plate edition. It is a premium offering from the company without any compromise on build quality and versatility. The frame is made from 40/40, 40/80ths, 40/120, and 4160 aluminum extrusion with a powder coat and anodized aluminum finish. The package includes side and front mount brackets, hence the name, height-adjustable shock-absorbing feet, custom cable clips, seat brackets, a mounting plate for the shifter and handbrake, and a safety footstep. It is also compatible with Next Level Racing's accessories, such as the Motion Platform V3, Castor wheels, freestanding monitor stands, as well as ES1, ERS1, and ERS2 seats. Number 4. GTR Simulator GTF Model. The GTR Simulator GTF Model Racing Cockpit stands out from the competition thanks to its included triple monitor stand. Out of the box, the monitor stand can support up to 3 24-inch monitors or a single 50-inch monitor. The company also offers an upgrade that allows users to mount up to 3 39-inch monitors. The solid construction and adjustability of the GTAF Model Racing Cockpit make it a great value option for sim racing fans. Racing games are best experienced with a steering wheel, pedals, a shifter, and a handbrake, but what's arguably more important is the monitor setup. The GTR Simulator GTF model racing cockpit allows players to install up to 3 24-inch monitors for a truly immersive racing experience. Alternatively, they can mount a single 50-inch monitor, which should be large enough to supplement the wraparound feel of multiple monitors. GTR Simulator also offers an upgrade kit that allows users to mount 3 up to 39-inch monitors for an even more immersive and jaw-dropping racing experience. The monitors are mounted on the rig via VISA 100x100 plates that can slide on a rail to align the 3 monitors. Number 5. GTPLAYER Racing Simulator Cockpit. The GTPLAYER Racing Simulator Cockpit is an affordable and well-built sim racing cockpit that comes with Bluetooth speakers. There are 2 speakers attached to the seat for an immersive surround gaming experience. The frame is made from solid alloy steel and the seat itself can recline to 160 degrees. It is strong enough to support high-torque direct-drive wheels. For a well-rounded racing sim experience with the addition of surround speakers, gamers should consider the GTPLAYER Racing Simulator Cockpit. Not only does it look good, but the frame is also made from alloy steel and the wine red seat comes with lumbar and neck support. Speaking of the seat, it has been mounted on a sliding rail to adjust its position according to the user's height. The steering wheel, not included, can be adjusted up and down for maximum comfort. The main selling point of the GTPLAYER Racing Simulator Cockpit is the integrated dual surround speakers that sit on the shoulders of the seat. They are Bluetooth-enabled and offer an immersive racing experience. The seat also reclines to 160 degrees, but note that gamers cannot play in this position. There is also a mounting plate for the shifter, which is adjustable and held in place with rubber clippers.